What's up, my ponyos? Andy with Tech Influence here, excited to go over some really cool AI technology. This is the INMO translation AR glasses that you can use here on your trips. It's great for dialogue. You can use it for business meetings, and it's easy to use, one-fits-all form factor that looks sleek on you. When you pair it with their app, you can use the assistant here to record audio from yourself as well as who you're speaking with for dialogue, for lectures, conferences, or situations where you need help with translation. With a slew of languages here, including Chinese, French, Spanish, etc., you can use these glasses in a myriad of situations when you're in a pinch. With that said, the folks at INM did provide to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Let's unbox this, demonstrate it, and see what you're getting yourself into. Unboxing of the INMO is straightforward. I really like their sleek form factor here. As you can see, it comes in this nice box, and then it also comes with a glasses case as well. Here's your instructions. Here are the lenses and glasses themselves, and then obviously your charging cable here, powered by USB Type-C. With that said, inside here, it's this really nice magnetized and kind of felt inside glasses case that you can use here to store your glasses with, also with a microfiber lens cloth. And here they are, someone who wears lenses every day, excited to be able to use this and integrate it. First impression here is that it's very, very light. It's nice and durable. I've got kids and I know they're gonna wanna rip this off my face because they're gonna wanna see what I see as well. You've got a number of different functions here. Obviously the lenses, you can kind of see some refraction. This is where the AR will appear on your lens. You got your nose pads on this side here. The left eye is just a regular lens that passes through, and then you've obviously got your charging, power button, and some of the other buttons. There is a touch capacitive point here for you to select some of the options, and then obviously you've got the ends here where the battery and some of the other features are already kind of built into it. You have a series of microphones that are going to listen in on the conversation, and then you just place it onto your temple here, ready to be able to use it. To get started, you want to download the INMO app. There is a QR code, and then this is where you have some of the functions. I've already started a couple of conversations. It's going to discover the device. Once you turn it on, it will be ready to pair it, and then once you pair it, it'll allow you the function of the device. You can do voice translation for listening to foreign lectures, watching videos, etc. Or if you want a business dialogue, you can turn it into dialogue translation. To turn on the device, you press and hold the left side here to be able to turn it on. Okay, as you can see there is the screen overlay, 24%. You can see the time. It says dialogue in process. You can see on screen that it's starting to capture the dialogue. I'm just having it capture my voice. And you can see it overlaid directly on the screen as you see through the lens. I think that's pretty fun to be able to have that. Once you toggle which language you want to translate, it'll start translating to your native language, allowing you to be able to see direct translation with the AI assistant. Okay, now with the lenses on here, they do feel really good. I've got it set here right on my temples. I've got it basically in the appropriate zone of my eye, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start a translation. I do speak another language, and I'm gonna show the screen here as it translates. As I speak English, it is translating it actively into Spanish, which I think is really exciting. As I speak English and as the user puts the glasses on, it's starting to translate everything that I say in English into Spanish. What you're seeing on my phone is also being displayed on the AR glasses that are here on my face. If I wanted to go ahead and get my language translated, I would press on my phone, the other party then would speak into the phone, and then I could understand what they're saying as well. So it's a nice companion to be able to have for your travels. This can also work for Chinese, so as I'm speaking in English, it's starting to translate it directly onto my phone into simplified Chinese, which you could hand your phone over if you needed. Now, I also speak Chinese myself, so if I wanted to, I could start speaking Chinese, and then it's going to start translating it. My Chinese is a little rusty, but I'll do my best. 您好，我是潘家明，今天是9月7号，我住在美国，及我是38岁，我喜欢这个眼镜，真的很高级。 With that said, I think you guys saw the dialogue and what it looked like. I think it was fun to be able to show this off here. I tried my best to be able to show off some of its features in a situation where you might need to use this as a translator. I think they're really slick on my head. They feel really light and they have a pretty long battery life. It annotates pretty quickly, and I think as long as you talk clearly and the other person in the dialogue also talks clearly, it's able to pick it up the majority of the time. With that said, the folks at INMO did provide something complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps out the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.